Hi everyone, a very warm welcome from Emerge India Foundation, Public Charitable Trust, inspired and blessed by our beloved Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. It gives me immense pleasure to share with you the objectives and activities of Emerge India Foundation, which are to ignite the minds of 127 crores of people of this nation, and also to see India as the greatest economy and a superpower by 2020. And a small recapture. Next is the second level of entrepreneurship development program. The second level of entrepreneurship development program, this, and whatever the product you see in the first level itself, I tell you, the product is ready, you are not for implementation, because you have still a huge suspicion, you have still a huge fear. Okay, my product is fine, and yes, extraordinary product or service or a change or an improvement have come out, and it is going to, yes, what if after my starting the business, if somebody else is going to compete or somebody else will come into large scale, and what is going to happen to me, and where the whole thing is going to be lost, and I will be in bankrupt, I will be in trouble. And that's the thing. And for that, you need protecting your intellectual property rights. It is your protecting your, patenting your invention or patenting your innovation, and we do for it. And in that angle, wow, that is very, see, when that is done, you will be damn sure that you will be happy to take it forward. You will be very confident, you will be self-motivated, you will be enthusiastic. Yeah, I am safeguarded, I am okay, I can take care of, nobody is there and nobody is going to spoil my business, and you will take it forward and you will lead. And for that, we have the patent attorneys, and we have the people who work on the patents, and we will do it on behalf of you. But you take, I'll just take you one statistics here. See, in patenting, you have to be very serious about it. You cannot take it lightly, you cannot be taken for granted, because the number of patents that is happening, see, in one point of time, I can only tell you, at one point or sometime or other, whatever the product or services, whatever the things you see in the outside, you are definitely, you will reach, if you are not working seriously, you will definitely one day or other feel very bad about it, that, anything and everything you use around you, you have to pay a royalty for somebody else in the outside world. That kind of dangerous, that kind of speed, the things are happening, the patenting, and we don't, no such kind of awareness, no such kind of quantum jump, no such kind of paradigm shift is not happening in ourselves, in our approach towards the invention. We already seen the innovation case. Now you see the patenting case. In the patenting case, now for example, last year if you say there are 19,500 patents filed in India. See, that is why now our beloved Dr. again and again he told Abdul Kalam ji that what is that 127 crores of ignited minds are doing, and why they are behaving like the population of few lakhs of people, 19,500. In the 19,500 patents, do you know how many are from the common man like you and me? Have you done any patent? Have you done it? See, I am not blaming, I am not pointing finger, and it is a discussion atmosphere. We are discussing, we are sharing, we are exploring all the possible opportunities to take a quantum jump, to see the solutions, to come out with the solutions. And it is definitely not a pointing finger, it is not a blame game. We are not the person here to play a game, a blame game. And it is, we have to give a realization. See, self-realization. See, why I say the self-realization, giving yourself an important is, see, the ultimate objective of Emerge India Foundation is to see each and every fellow Indian as a total quality individual. Where we left in the second level of entrepreneurship development program. The second level of entrepreneurship for the people who are already in the system, who are already come to the first, and who are not in the system, who want to freshly come in, they already have some ideas. So there, here, what happens is in the second level of, we give a complete, real business situation, like trying for various different functional levels of a business and various departments, what is the roles and responsibility, what is the minimum deliverables, what is the best possible deliverables, what is the criteria, what is the critical control points, leading indicators, leading completely about marketing, sales, purchase, HR, human empowerment, and also training, and also teamwork, and so much of a business side, and how you have to work on our deliverables. And also we take a thorough training, thorough preparation, because when you get complete knowledge and what is the clearances and what is the government side, what is the statutory requirements, everything is given in the second level of entrepreneurship development training program, and completely you get into your business. That is your business. See, you may be opting for a bank finance, you may be opting for a venture capital, and you may be opting for a joint venture, because in our platform the people who are opting for a joint venture is also available, and people who are providing, are intending, willing to give it for a joint venture, they are also available. They can share, they can network in our presence, because we are present to make the platform a win-win basis. Nobody is allowed to exploit the other person, and in the interest of both, in the interest of the entire nation, Emerge India Foundation is working. So we make a win-win platform so that everybody wins. And in the second level, project reports are made by experts and by our accountants. See, my apologies, and here is my apologies, because we have let at the patent stage. At the patent stage, and we are supposed to take it forward. At the patent stage, where we left 19,000 patents filed. In that 19,000 patents filed, the history is 80% belong to the foreign nationals who are safeguarding their interest in India. And remaining 20% also, majority goes, 19% goes to the pharmaceutical companies, chemical companies, and other organizations, and they want to protect their interest in India. And hardly 1 or 2%, which you can count in numbers, definitely not 1 or 2%, it is very few in numbers, and that is by the independent people. And I told you, the situation is going to come for each and everything, and we are supposed to be paying royalty for using the facility or using the product or services. We are not supposed to go to that, allow things to happen to that stage. Everyone has to get into patenting, everyone has, but unfortunately, and since I have been into patenting my own products and services, the government fees itself goes to several thousands of rupees. Apart from that, the patents have to be presented in a proper form, proper statutory requirements, and proper language and proper meanings, and proper so many things which can be done by attorneys. And that will cost, for every patent, it will cost lakhs of rupees, definitely. So it is not possible by you. So that is why we have mentors, we have subject matter specialists, we have patenting experts with us, patent attorneys, they will do it for you for free. And all that you have to do is, we will provide anything and everything that is needed you to succeed, and for free. And that's Emerge India's mantra. And we want to see the complete transformation, igniting the minds, Vision 20, that is the only thing. And we will do anything and everything for it, and you will not have imagined that the patenting is done for free for you. And then we protected your interest, and you are very confident, you are bold, you are straight away jumping into the ocean of business. And this business second level, we are coming back to the second level. We give your maybe a project report, and maybe a business plan for a venture capital or a joint venture, a term sheet making and venture capital, and every stage we will be with you, safeguarding your interest, and we will be working for you. And also we will, your business, what is the requirement of capital for your business, plant and machineries, and what is the working capital, and what is the return on your investment of the business, what is the profitability which you are allocating for your business, what is the life cycle of this business, and what's going to happen, what is the next level of the business, what is the continuous improvement possibility for your business, and what is the several sanctions and several licenses from the government side, and also the land and building and power and manpower, plenty of manpower at every domain is available in our system. You will be taking the manpower from the system, our own system available, and also the practices, and also experienced people, and hand holding, enabling, supporting, hand holding, training, everything in the second level, until your business, your stands in its own leg, and you are able to stand on your own leg. You are able to make the return on investment, or you are able to break even as quickly as possible. By all means, for that, we have the market experts, we have the teams which are suggesting what kind of marketing route and what kind of marketing support from us, and because the selling of the product, and also purchasing resources where you can buy the product, the raw materials at a very cost effective basis, and at a very comfortable repayment systems, and sales and support and after sales support and customer service and angle, everything is, we will be at a back end, we will be supporting you, our system will be supporting you. The second level, see that you quickly make a break even and you stand into your return on investment, you are able to get your ROI and also with the considerable profits in the business, and your business is succeeded and you are on your own legs. And